Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, La Mesa, local, and long-distance movers near me. A long move can be very stressful. We provide the necessary long-distance moving services to take the stress away. Our team will make sure you get the protection you desire for your belongings. Along with the basic moving services such as loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer many other services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With the right California moving company, you will be able to get the most out of your move. Our team will provide you with all the benefits when you're moving locally. We save you time, provide you with the crew to handle the heavy lifting, and make sure all your things are protected. Hiring 3 movers means you get a streamlined moving day. We make things move quicker, and our crew knows how to give you the convenience you need. If a move might take you an entire weekend, we can get it done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our La Mesa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.